Aloha everyone. Well, today marks 1 month since the Maui Wildfires. We still don't know exactly yet how many lives were lost in the Lahaina Fire, but we do know it was one of the deadliest fires in US history. And thousands of other people also lost their homes. One way the Maui community honors the lives of the people we've lost is with a paddle out ceremony. This ceremony is a symbolic act of unity, remembrance, and connection. Today there's actually 2 separate ceremonies. One happened on the south side this morning, and another one on the west side of Maui that's closer to Lahaina.
So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at clips of both ceremonies to share with the world one of the ways Maui is healing and recovering from the fires. Let's start by taking a look at the Kihei ceremony from this morning. Paddle out ceremonies were born in the Hawaiian Islands. The earliest reports of a paddle out date back to the 1920s. The past month really has been an emotional roller coaster for just about everybody that lives on Maui. And it's really great to see people coming together to help express their emotions and heal. This morning ceremony in Kihei certainly was very powerful. But the ceremony that happened later in the day on the west side was even larger. Let's head there now. There was even a helicopter that came to drop flowers. Overall, both ceremonies were absolutely magical. Lots of tears, lots of hugs, and lots of healing. Out of the ashes, we will rebuild both our lives and our land, even better than it was before. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Aloha.